smoking rooms, wherever you are. It's just about closing time. Didn't we just wanna go, putting the world on the line? Help me go back, nobody waits. I just wanna cry my heart out this one last time. Ooh. Misery is taking me home.
Hey guys, so unfortunately the trail is still completely covered with snow. I believe that it was only a patch of the trail that had snow, but upon further inspection I flew the drone into the air to kind of spectate the area to make sure everything was safe. But unfortunately everywhere is completely filled with snow, completely. So unfortunately we can't do that hike I mentioned in an earlier clip. But along the way we did find plenty of waterside campsites, which I would like to show you guys, possibly cook food and have a good time and see where it goes. When life throws lemon at you, you make lemonade, and that's the best we can do now.
You left. Didn't we almost find out what this life was all about? Just help me go back, 'cause nobody waits. Days floating by, it all feels the same. I just wanna cry my heart out this one last time.
Hey everyone, so we finally made it to the campsite that we saw along the way. I want to first start off by saying thank you guys so much for all the love and support that this channel have received thus far. Everything is appreciated, nothing is taken for granted. It is extremely windy currently and slightly raining, so we're not going to cook. I'm afraid sand gets in the food, so we're going to skip cooking, but it's plenty of space for the dogs to stretch their leg and exercise and have a good time. I'll show you guys how everything's going thus far. Get ball. Yeah.
Yeah, the ball's rolling out.
Oh, thank you. Ivy, come here, girl. Come. Fetch. Yeah, she's extremely fast. Oh, wow, she's still going. Come here, girl. Well trained. Yes, good job. Alright, so anyone that's new here, come here, girl. Middle. 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 Alright, so anyone that's new here, this is my 7-month-old puppy. She's the most greatest dog you could ever think of. She's adorable, she's nice, she's literally everything. So anyone who enjoy content like this or like off-roading or anything in that category, this channel is based off that. And if you guys like it, I recommend subscribing to the channel, liking the video to keep updated with more stuff like this on its way. Thank you and have a good one, guys. Come, girl. Come. Come.